Why is Turkey at risk of possible total destruction by Russia? During the meeting of the defense ministers of the SCO in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, the Russian defense minister, Andrei Belousov, issued a stern warning to Turkey. Belousov described as unacceptable the attempt by extra-regional powers, referring to Turkey as well as the West, to establish a military presence or resolve logistical issues in Central Asia. He emphasized that Russia considers the presence of non-regional military forces a direct threat to local stability. Belousov also said that Moscow is closely monitoring efforts by third countries to acquire bases or take on logistical duties. The security of Central Asia was described as an integral part of Russia's national security. Although they did not name it, the Russians certainly have Turkey in mind. You see, Turkey has increased its sales. Drones and joint military exercises with countries in the region, such as Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. There are concerns, then, in Moscow about the creation of a Turkish military bloc that could serve as an alternative to the Russian Collective Security Treaty Organization. Despite the cooperation between Putin and Erdogan on other fronts, Central Asia remains a traditional sphere of Russian influence, where Turkish penetration is causing friction. Turkey also actively supports Azerbaijan, providing military technology. Russia, traditionally the protector of Armenia, saw its influence in the region weaken after the complete victory of the Azerbaijanis in 2023. Putin. It's clear that he doesn't want what happened in the Caucasus to be repeated in Central Asia, even if that brings him into conflict with Erdogan. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video.